Hi, Ganesh here. Welcome to CookMate AI review and demo video. And in the next few minutes, please listen to me carefully. So, would you like tap into red hot $285 billion industry right now and create a monthly recurring passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various do-it-yourself techniques? If that caught your interest, then I have great news for you today. Presenting CookMate AI. Instant access of world's first AI cloud-based software creates self-updating food recipe websites loaded with 1,000 multiple niche food recipes, 20 cuisine categories in just 45 seconds. Start your own food selling recipe creation website in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into members area. Step 2. Enter your site name. Step 3. All will automatically generate awesome good-looking fully automated food site lated with 1,000 good-looking fully automated food site lated with 1,000's mold. Here are some of its amazing features. Build unlimited fully automated food recipe affiliate sites. Tap into red hot $285 billion food industry right now. Loaded with 1,000's recipes with 20 categories to sell right away. Free domain blazing. Inbuilt COF ads placement feature. 100 OWL-based cloud-based platform. Pay once and get profit forever without any restrictions. Inbuilt add your own recipe feature. Add your own unlimited food products recipes. Commercial license included. No limitations. Completely free. No special skills or experience required. Step-by-step training. And much more. And you're not alone. Over 150's top agency owners, marketers, more than 2,000 customers have started making money with CookMate AI. Till now, CookMate AI has built 9,200 affiliate recipe sites platform without any hassle. It's huge, and now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion, the profit, at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside. Now start demo video. Access in description.